What am I doing, you may ask? Well, yeah, not a dryer vent. I think I'm getting a bite too. Someone keeps playing with this guy right here. But Steve, Almetal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Check out my Periscope, guys. It is great. Forgot that I hadn't made intro for this video because this video I wasn't planning on actually recording. But when I got there and I saw something, well, just watch. All right, now let's find this. He said this right here. Ooh, look. Oh man. Now I gotta try to figure out where that thing is. I don't want to jump out at me. $3.75. All right, guys. In the comments, y'all think that snake's in there right now? I don't know. Uh-oh. Dang, this ain't even... Luckily for me, I like snakes. Yeah, there's no damper door. Only one way to find out. Uh-oh. Man, I don't want to stick my hand in there. I'm only 2 feet in. Holy cow. Yeah, that. Oh man, this has got to get off here. Alright, so this pipe doesn't slip. I'm gonna have to replace that damper. I just don't have the right one in my truck. So I'm gonna put that screw in there. Hopefully that'll hold it. Alright, try it again. Come on, baby. Holy cow. I can't even get it up the duct. All right. Come on, baby. This ain't holding at all. Move that to there. See if that holds better. Now we're getting somewhere. Now we're getting somewhere. And of course, the first fish, just you guys may fish, you may not fish, but it's called a oyster toadfish. They also call it a mother-in-law fish. Ugly little jokers. All right, let's do a video. Oh, jeez. Well, guys, unfortunately, I'm back home now. And it's hot. Holy cow. And I can't find the footage of me putting the new damper on, but you guys have seen me do it 15, 20 times by now. No different. I painted it brown, put a metal one on there. It's good to go. Steve, Almetal Dryer Event, almetaldryerevent.com. Happy 4th of July to each one of you guys. 250 years, man. I don't know. I like this country. Actually, I love this country. I think everybody else should too. Till next time, guys.